Hi, I'm Pam Frye, and I serve as Harmony Family Center's Director of Adoption and Permanency Services. And today I would like to talk to you about one of my favorite activities that we like to do with our kiddos at Camp Montvale, and that's making nature mandalas. Now we're going to start my favorite part of this project, and that is actually going on a nature walk where we're going to gather some items for our mandala. You can gather items from your yard, and whether they're just rocks or sticks from your yard, grass, our mandalas can be as simple or as complex as you want them to be. You may be asking yourself, what is a mandala? A mandala is actually a word from the Sanskrit language, and it means magical circle. So here you see something really interesting. This is called a buckeye, and I think I will gather it for my mandala. Isn't it beautiful? Another thing that I'm going to gather for my mandala. This is a black walnut. As you can see, I have taken the balls from the sweet gum tree and created a circle as a base for my mandala. I've used my black walnut and my 3 buckeyes to fill in the circle of my mandala. As you can see, I've made a couple of tweaks to my mandala, but isn't it beautiful? I hope you enjoyed my video on how to make a nature mandala. More than anything, I hope you're inspired to get outside and spend some time with your family. Hope you have a great day.